Hey friends, it's your pal Arty Loon here, and welcome to your official Arty Loon Show Magic Kit tutorial where I take you step by step through every single magic trick and show you the ins and outs of what it takes to be an amazing magician. I'm super excited to be here. Let's get your lesson started now. Congratulations on receiving your official Arty Loon Show Magic Kit. What you'll receive is your famous zigzag pencil, your mystery spot trick, and your floating match trick. Not just that, you'll also receive a booklet with 50 additional magic tricks you can learn from household items. Welcome back to your Easy Magic Trick Booklet tutorial. The book itself teaches you how to do some pretty cool magic tricks you can do with household items. Like this one, trick number 19, the French drop. What is the French drop? Well, a coin. Allow me to show you. Pretty fun, huh? The secret comes up next. Here's the secret. The French drop is a very old technique to make anything disappear that fits in your hand. Today, I'm using a coin. To perform the French drop, you hold the coin between your middle finger and your thumb. You then reach with your left hand underneath with your thumb, and your other fingers block the view of the coin from your friends. You then drop the coin into the palm of your hand as you reach over to cover its view. So it looks like you actually grab the object. In reality, it stays behind in the right hand. In motion, it looks like this. See? Thank you once again for joining us here on your official Magic Kit tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed all those fun magic tricks, and we hope to see you guys again next time.